How to add music to your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add music to your Instagram story. So, first of all, open your Instagram app. Now, once you've opened your app, let us simply create a story first of all. And now, let us simply capture a photo right now. Now, if you want to add a music to your Instagram story, all you have to do is swipe up anywhere on the screen and there you'll see an option named music, but if your option doesn't show, simply go to your search bar and then type in music. Now tap on the sticker music and now you can browse music. So choose the music which you want to add to your story. You can go through all of the top musics right now which are recommended to me, but if you want to search a specific song, simply go to search music and search. Now once you've selected the music which you want to add to your story, it will provide you a bunch of different options. So you can make the lyrics show up on the screen and you can also change the text font, but if you want you can simply show this little icon or this big icon right over here. And now once you're okay with what you want to show on your story, simply tap on done and now you can move this around, make this smaller and then relocate it. And now you can also change the duration of the song or the clip. You can simply tap on the option 15, which is by default, and now you can change the clip duration. Now once you're okay with your clip duration, simply tap on done and now you can select any part of the entire song you want to play to your story. So for now, let's simply choose this part right over here and then tap on done. So that is basically how you add music to your Instagram story. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.